Only a few people can see this. Schools and degrees aren't the only safe option to success. Jobs and climbing corporate ladders aren't the guaranteed path anymore. Businesses that require huge startup capital, marketing teams, and mountains of employees, that's not the only way to build a good life. In fact, these are becoming the most unsafe options. They trap you in a cycle of burnout, following someone else's dream, and sacrificing your personal life. But in 2024, with the internet, social media, and AI on our side, success looks completely different. No boss. No burning out. Setting your own hours. Setting your own work location. Do work you're passionate about. No pitching to investors to beg funds. Pursue hobbies, travel, spend time with loved ones. Continuously developing your skills and knowledge. This isn't some pipe dream. This is the reality of the creator economy. You get paid for what you know, for your ideas, for your creativity. No more heavy lifting, no more soul-crushing commutes. Just you, your passion, and an audience eager to learn from you. Not only this, you can learn whatever you want to learn from other creators who've actually done what you want to do. Education is important for humanity, but the school system makes you hate education. The way we learn is changing. Social media, creators, and even AI are making personalized learning a reality. So, let's ditch the outdated ideas of success. The future is here, and it's about freedom, passion, and continuous growth. Before we move on to how you can leverage the new economy that I'm talking about, I want to let you know that success requires hard work, but in a meaningful direction. It is just that till now you are working hard, but in the wrong direction. That is working hard to get good grades, working hard to crack a competitive exam, working hard to get into top universities, working hard to climb corporate ladders, working hard to impress the investor. People now have realized that these all are things of past. Now, I'll give you the exact steps that you can follow to take advantage of this new economy. Step 0, being aware of your interests. Some of you know what they love doing, so you have a starting point. For others and in general, if you don't know what to learn or are yet to discover the thing that you love doing the most, here's a hack: observe what others are doing on social media, off social media. I bet on social media you'll find things you didn't even think of could be possible, and people are profiting from that. Now you have a list of things that you think are interesting, but you still are not sure what your passion is. To tackle this, just choose any one skill that looks good to you, or randomly choose any one, and move to the next step with this. Step 1, learning, that is to educate yourself. Learning, as a bigger picture, is a lifelong process. You'll have to educate yourself at any phase of whatever you are doing in order to improve. But what we are talking about here is the starting point of what you want to achieve in the creator economy. There are tons of free and paid resources available online. YouTube itself is a treasure of knowledge. But with so many options, it's easy to get overwhelmed. That's where creators come in. Find successful creators in your chosen field. Watch their tutorials, listen to their podcasts, and follow their journeys. They've already paved the path, and they'll guide you through the learning process. I suggest you put into 20 to 25 hours in learning. That's enough. Watch at least 20 hours of YouTube videos before you do anything. Then keep following your favorite creators along the path. Step 2, get better at it. By now you've done 20% of the work required. Learning is just one piece of the puzzle. You need to put your knowledge into action. Here's where most people get stuck. Don't wait for a high-paying client or job opportunity come to you yet. Instead, start small to make it big. Offer to do free work for friends, family, or even small businesses. This will help you build your portfolio, gain experience, and most importantly, receive valuable feedback. By working on 2 to 3 free projects, you'll know what works, how to get results, and if you really enjoy doing what you thought would be a better career option for you. Now you have testimonials to show to real high-paying clients, or job opportunities, or at least an experience to put that knowledge into your digital products. Next we move skills you need to learn that'll land you 1K per month, 3K per month, 5K per month clients, and yeah, the same skills are required if you choose the digital creator way. Step 3, the fundamentals. Being a successful creator isn't just about having a cool skill. You also need to understand the business side of things. Here's where step 3 comes in. Dedicate some time, maybe 4 to 5 hours each, to learn the fundamentals of business through YouTube videos or online courses. Focus on these key areas. Sales, learn how to communicate the value you offer and close deals with confidence. Writing, strong writing skills are essential. Writing is everywhere. Can you observe it? Writing is literally everywhere. The sales page is writing, The website is basically words put together, the social media content is writing, the YouTube videos, even the one you are watching right now, is basically writing at core. That is the script of it. Content creation, learn the game of content creation, the best way to do it: making a swipe file, study good performing posts, analyze why it performed well. Copy the idea, give your own twist to it and try posting it. This way you'll learn the content game. Creating good offers, learn how to structure irresistible offers that convert your audience into paying customers. These are the building blocks for any successful online business. By mastering these skills, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving career in the creator economy. These 4 skills are the basics for any business to work, and will be helpful even if you're not doing a business and want to do a job. At the end of the day, you'll be doing a job in a company that is doing business, and these skills will make you stand out of others, as these will be useful to businesses to make more money. Let's move to the next step. Step 4, making money. It's now time to turn your passion into profit. There are 3 broad ways to make money. Number 1 is landing high-paying clients. Now you can find many videos on YouTube from experts on how to land clients for your particular service. It will take another video to tell you how to do it correctly. But let me tell you in short, you can do outbound via cold emails, cold DMS, or inbound via making social media content, or even both. Remember in step 3 just a few seconds ago, I told you some fundamental skills. Yeah, those all will be required here for you to be successful. Second way is to go via the digital creator path. Make digital products, make courses, do cohorts, teach what you've learned. This is a really good way to make money with no limits. The third way is to get a job. Now some of you might be wondering, how can I get a job without a formal degree? Well, let me tell you that more and more people are getting recruited with this method. While people with degrees from prestigious universities are blaming the system for not being able to even provide them employment, just observe around and you'll realize where the world is going. Let's move to the topic, how can you land a job? It's not as hard as you think, but it requires continuous efforts from you. All you need to do after learning a skill is to build projects by yourself in public. Entrepreneurs and CEOs are always looking at social media, and this catches their attention. Again, on how to build in public, you can look at a number of YouTube videos and see other creators doing it. You got the point. This is the only roadmap you need to avoid the unsuccessful trap, because this path gives control of your life to yourself instead of giving it to the school, universities, government, and then blaming them for you not getting success. An update here, as I talked about earlier in this video on how important writing is to get what you want. With bad writing you'll lose opportunities potentially worth $1 million no matter how good you are at your skill. Now with the rise of AI, you can see AI generated writing everywhere, and it is easy to see if something is written by AI or not. ChatGPT writes boring, predictable, and safe content. Unless it is told to write better. The world is moving towards AI. But you must learn the correct way to leverage AI tools if you want it to help you achieve your goals faster. To teach you how to write better content with AI, my next project is I'm writing a book with insights on becoming better at writing skills with AI, be it writing your social media posts, newsletters, emails, sales page copy, cold DMs, or anything you'd require to write better leveraging AI. I'll keep you updated when it comes for a pre-launch in my upcoming videos, so keep watching to get a pre-launch discount. If you loved this video, hit the like button, and subscribe to this channel. This will encourage me to make more such helpful videos for you and also trigger the algo to push it further. Till next time guys.